Hello everyone, my name is Darshan and I am from India, currently in Sharjah. Today in this video, I am going to show you the loan interest calculator made in Python in Pictoblocks. Over here, I have started it, and now it says us to enter the principal amount. Principal amount is basically the main amount before before the original amount you try to borrow. So we'll start. Principal amount I'm going to put 6,000. No, 60,000. The interest rate will be 12%, and it'll be time for 3 years. The answer is the amount simple interest is 81,600. It calculates it using this formula. Over here it activates this, right, Toby, and then we define one element. We define interest calculator with three params: principal, rate, and time. And then we put the formula for amount. Amount is equal to principal plus principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100, and then it returns the amount. Then we go to here. The sprite will tell us to enter the principal amount, and then it will store in this variable. Same thing with interest rate and time. Then it will say the answer. The amount is a string element interest calculator, means the returned amount is in here, and this 5 is for the amount of seconds we're going to put it in. We're going to try another how to play. We're going to try another example. Let's say I'm going to give 12,000 rupee, 12,000. Interest rate I'll put 6%, no, 60%, and the time for it will be 2 years. The amount for simple interest is 26,400. It calculates using the formula given for finding the answer. This is my assignment for the bootcamp.